Okay, so first graders will continue to talk about the needs of animals. So the last need of an animal is space to grow. Animals need space to move and find food. They need space to care for their young. Shelter and space are found in an animal's environment. God designed animals and their environments to work together so that the animals can survive and grow. So God designed animals and their environments to work together, yeah, so that the animals can survive and grow in the given environment, yeah. So review question: what 5 needs must animals have? What are those 5 needs? Right, air, water, food, shelter, and space to live. And what is a shelter, you guys? Right, a safe place to live. Do all animals have the same kind of shelter? No, they do not, right? They don't have the same kind of shelters. So, what are some shelters that animals use? What are some shelters? Right. Birds, they need nests. And like here, fox, they have dens, and bears, they have dens, right? They dig the ground. And, horses and cows, they have barns. And some animals, they live under the rocks. And some animals, their shelter can be in the plant. Yeah. So there are many different shelters for different type of animals. They're not just one shelter for all the animals, right? Different shelters. Okay. So again, what are the 5 needs that the animals have to have? Water, air, food, shelter, and space. What is a shelter? A safe place to live. Alrighty. Moving on to the work text. Okay. Let's take a look at this together. Environment. Okay, number 1, an environment is all the blank and blank things around a plant or animal. Right. An environment is all the living and non-living things around a plant or animal. So yeah, that's number 1. And number 2, an animal's 5 needs are, right. What are the 5 needs? Air, water, food, shelter, and space. Okay. And now you are going to draw a square around an animal and circle one of the animal's needs that is being met in its environment. Okay, and then you will answer the question at the bottom here. Okay, so guys, let's talk about some living things that you see here. Yeah, we have, I think that's a horse, and we have cows, we have birds with their nest. It's gotta be their shelter, yeah? And a butterfly, earthworm, and some flowers, grass, and non-living things will be the water and the barn nest, right? All right, so what you need to do is you need to draw a square around an animal. So for example, draw a square like this around cow, and then you'll circle one of the animal's needs that is being met in this environment. So what is one of the cow's needs that is being met in the environment here? Yeah, the food, the grass, right? So just circle grass. Or it could be bird, square around the bird, and the nest is their shelter. Yeah. Or of course, it could be butterfly, square around butterfly, and you will circle flowers for food. They get nectar the liquid from the flower, nectar, for their food. And or you can draw a square around horse and circle the barn, which is the horse's nest. I mean, horse's shelter, not nest, right? Okay, so go ahead and do that. And when you're done, let's read the question at the bottom here. The animal's need is being met in its environment. What does this tell you about God? Isn't it wonderful? We have living things and we have animals, and the environment around them is, they have everything that they need. Yeah, in the environment that they live in. That is just so amazing. So what does this tell you about God? Could be really anything that comes to your mind, but let's say something like, God designed the animal's needs and its environment to work together. The key word is to work together, right? So that the animals can survive and grow. Yeah. God designed the animal's needs and its environment to work together. Yeah, so say something like that. Yeah. Okie dokie. So that brings to an end of science lesson, and I will be back with a new science lesson next time. So first graders, have a great day and I'll see you later. Bye.